I'm sure we have all been in a situation where we forgot to add something on our video, or rather a situation where there was actually something in our background that we didn't know about. Then after we uploaded the video, we then realized that, oh, there's something in our background that we should have removed before uploading the video on YouTube. So in that situation, normally you start wondering if you can actually just replace that video with another brand new video on your YouTube channel. But the short answer is no, you can't actually replace a video like that on your channel, like just replace a video with another video. That is not possible. But the one thing that you can actually do is that you can actually edit that video on your YouTube studio. So I'm going to be switching to my PC real quick, so I will show you guys on how to easily edit your YouTube video even after uploading it on the YouTube space. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now all that you need to do is to just go to your YouTube studio. Once you've gotten to your YouTube studio, then just click on content. So once you do that, it's going to show you all your recent videos. Then what you want to do right now is to click on this detail pencil icon that you can see here. Just click on it. Once you've done that, you are going to see editor. You can see that at the corner, analytics editor. Then click on editor. So this is how you can actually edit a video once you've already uploaded. So the first thing I'm going to be telling you guys about is this trim and cut. So let me say you made some mistake in the video, like some stuff that you want to cut out of the video. Or let me say, for example, somebody came into your video like unexpectedly, and you just want to cut out that part of the video because you have already uploaded it and you forgot to cut it out. So all you have to do is just click on this trim, then click on new cut. Once you click on new cut, then all you have to do is just, you can see what I'm doing right now. All you have to do is just apply it on the part of the video that you actually want to cut. Once you've applied it on the part of the video that you actually want to cut, then you just click on this done icon. Then you save. Once you save it, it's definitely going to cut that part out of the video. It might take some few hours before, when you watch the video, you see that that part has been cutted out, because YouTube will have to, check on the video and take their time to totally cut out that video, so that when people are watching it, they won't be seeing that part again. So that's how cutting out a video actually works, or rather trim and cut actually works. Then another thing that you can do, you can blur. And you can blur face, or you can custom blur. When you come to face, let me say something is in your face, like sometimes there might just be something in your face and you didn't notice it real quick when you were uploading the video. Then you can use this face blur to blur your face and remove that stuff from your face. Or you can do custom blur. Custom blur have to do, like, maybe you want to blur some other part of your environment that you don't want to be showing in the video, then you use custom blur for that. Then when it comes to audio simply have to do with adding audio to the video, because some YouTubers, they normally add some audio from YouTube gallery to the video. So let me say you have already uploaded the video and you forgot to add that, and the video is already getting views and you don't want to have to delete it again. You can just come to your editor and add an audio to that video, and that's it for that. Then when it comes to end screen and info card, that's quite simple. Now you guys know about end screen and info card already. I'm sure you guys know about that. If you don't know about that, end screen has to do with video suggestions that show at the end of your video. Then info card has to do with all these video suggestions that normally pops up at the top of your video when you are talking, for people to click on and go watch another video. So if you want to actually edit your end screen on your video that you have already uploaded, you can also do that in your editor. Same thing with your info card, you can also do that in your editor. So that's how that works. That's actually very, very easy, and you can use this to actually stream out, blur, add audio, and edit your end screen and info card once you have already uploaded a video on your YouTube platform. Another idea is that you can actually make a brand new video and then fix all the mistakes that you made on the previous one, then upload it on your channel, then go to that previous video and place it on unlisted, so that your viewers are not going to be seeing the video again on your channel. Or if you don't want to do it that way, you can just leave the video there on your channel since you have already uploaded it, and then learn from your mistakes, so that on your next videos that you'll be shooting, you won't make that mistake ever again on your channel. If you are struggling with views on your YouTube channel, there might just be that there are some few important YouTube settings that you need to turn on that are off on your channel, that are causing you this problem and making you not get views. So I would suggest that you watch this video to learn some important settings that you need to go and turn on and apply on your channel, so that you can increase the visibility on your channel. I'm going to be suggesting that video at the end of this video, so that you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.